goddamn son of a bitch, man. Son of a bitch. Fucking my goddamn Iron Man comics, man. Fucking son of a bitch. Ooh, you can't fucking see him, man. Only for my fucking eyes. Holy shit. You can look at him later on, man. God damn it, man. Been fucking sick for fucking 3 weeks. Drinking my fucking Pedialyte, man. Jesus Christ. Look at this shit, man. Look at that fucking shit, man. Been fucking sick, man. Fucking sick. Son of a bitch, man. Come back. They fucking fucked up my goddamn studio, man. Look at this shit. They took everything out. Everything out. It fucking sucks, man. I can't even twiddle my dinky wee. Oh my god. It's been terrible, folks. Just terrible, man. Fucking sweating, coughing up fucking goo. Oh my god, it's terrible. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. What the fuck's going on here, man? We better fucking take a closer look at this. Jesus Christ. Listen to fucking Stooges already, man. Goddamn fucking dust, man. Son of a bitch. God damn it, man. Oh my god, it's been terrible, folks. Just fucking terrible, man. I've been sick as a fucking dog, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. God damn it, man. I can't even drink a fucking brewski, man. A fucking son of a bitch, man. Fucking Bradley's been doing those fucking rowing exercises, man. It makes me want to fucking barf. Just barf. I'm gonna do a rowing exercise for you eventually. You're gonna love it too. Son of a bitch. Better take some more Pedialyte, man. Holy shit. Look at that shit, man. Look at that fucking shit. Son of a bitch, man. At least I got the fucking Stooges to my left, man. God damn it, man. It's been terrible, folks. Terrible. I've been so fucking sick, man. Oh, not one fucking sympathy card to Penny, man. Not one. It's fucking terrible. I can't even eat. I can't even twiddle my dinky walk. Oh my god. Starting to get over it though. Oh, it was worse about a week and a half ago, man. God damn son of a bitch, man. I do look good. I do look good. Studio looks wonderful. Annabelle is floating above the floor. Oh, look at me. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's all good, man. All good. I'm probably gonna be dead by morning. Fucking gotta go to the dentist in a week. Gotta drop off my fucking paperwork tomorrow. Or Wednesday or something, man. It fucking sucks. Jesus Christ, man. Holy shit. Oh, I don't even know what to do, man. Oh my god. God. Gotta stay calm, Penny. Stay calm, man. Stay calm. You can stay calm. Just control your mojo or something like that, man. It's fucking terrible, man. Whew. Where's my fucking horn, man? Folks, it's been a fucking nightmare, man. A fucking nightmare. Jesus Christ, man. I kept the studio up, though. Fucking Spidey doing all those fucking reviews. Bradley doing all those fucking rowing exercises. I'm gonna do a rowing exercise for you. Pennythelonelyclown, man. I'm gonna show those fuckers how it's done. Son of a bitch, man. Whew, that's fucking good. It's like orange flavor, man. Whew, keep my fucking throat hydrated. Holy shit. Whew, gotta get this shit out of my mouth, man. Can't get nothing down my fucking throat, man. Except the giant wiener. Oh, I do look wonderful, man. sounding better, feeling a little bit better, getting some fresh air, rowing exercises, going to my fucked up job, man. Everything is just going wonderful. Not really, man. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I know y'all missed me, man. Y'all fucking missed me, man. Holy shit, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to fucking tell you. It's been terrible, folks. Oh, God, fucking, oh. Had to wash this mask out today because it's fucking full of fucking bacteria. Oh, man. What the fuck's going on, man? Fucking Stooges right over here, man. You don't blame me? Check this out, man. Look at that. Stooges. Oh, that's better, man. Whew. Well, it's been a long, sordid story, man. It's been like 3 weeks of fucking hell. 3 weeks, man. Fucking sneezing, sinus infection. Oh, fucking suffocating when I'm sleeping at night. Fucking just nothing's going. I had to clean my entire fucking house, man. Get rid of all the fucking dust. Bring in fucking air cleaners and everything, man. It's fucking terrible. Terrible. Holy shit. I can't even belch, man. It's fucking terrible. When I can't. Oh my God. I can't even belch. I'm completely out of whack here. Completely out of whack. Holy shit. Oh, oh my God. Oh. What the fuck am I talking about, man? I'm delirious. I'm fucking out of my fucking mind, man. I'm completely bonkers. My studio's changing. They fucking changed everything, man. They moved everything out so it's less crowded. Fucking so Spidey can fucking do his goddamn rowing videos, man. That fucking Bradley asshole too, man. Apparently they're trying to nudge Penny out, man. They're trying to get rid of me, man, so they can have the fucking studio to themselves, man. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. It's fucking terrible, man. I'm fucking heartbroken. Just heartbroken. Oh my God. I'm the star of this goddamn podcast fucking studio, man. Oh, that's a good one. Gotta keep clearing my throat, man. Gotta keep clear my throat. Oh my God. Oh, it's terrible, man. I gotta go outside for some fresh air in about 3 hours, man. Or something like that. Jesus Christ, folks. Just don't even know anymore, man. My whole world is collapsing, man. In 3 weeks, it's collapsed to me being on my fucking deathbed, man. My fucking deathbed. Now one fucking card of sympathy from anybody. Jesus Christ. Holy crap, man. They all just fucking ignored me, man. Just fucking ignored me. It's terrible. Just terrible. Stooges are over, man. Holy shit. Oh, God. I should show you my new comics, though. I'll show you some new comics. Okay. Okay, man. Okay, there's the first one, Iron Man. All right. This at least keeps me a little happy. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. All right. There's another one, man. Woo! Another Iron Man. Ooh, he was my favorite, man. I love his armor. I like to caress his armor. All right. There's another one, man. These are really old issues, too, man. Shit. Ooh, check that one out, man. Woo, man. Look at Iron Man, man. He's in a battle for his fucking life, man. Holy shit. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, there's another one, man. Look at that. Ooh, Iron Man looks pissed, man. He looks fucking pissed. Ooh, look at that one. Pretty good, man. You can't see no more. I denied access to all of you. Alright. So terrible, man. I haven't been able to do anything, man. I've only been watching Bradley make fucking videos, man, on his rowing machine. Looking like a fucking stud master, man. He thinks he's a fucking stud master. I've never seen anybody so conceited in my fucking life, man. Fucking rowing and fucking playing off all the fucking 10 YouTube viewers. Holy shit. What a cunt. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's a good cover, man. Alright. Oh, I guess fucking, Spidey's gonna do a rowing video, man. And Brady's gonna do more of those fuckers, man, too. He thinks he's every woman's dream, man. Maybe in their fucking nightmares. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I got about like 20 of these motherfuckers in the mail a few days ago. Jesus Christ. Holy fuck, man. Oh, oh my God, you son of a bitch. I don't know, man. I don't know. Got all my flickering lights going too tonight. Might as well, man. Might as well. This could be my last fucking video, folks. Next time you see me, I'll be fucking dead. Fucking dead, man. Nobody will even send a fucking card. Fucking Daniel Bomer will fucking get his wish finally and get to fucking embalm me, man. I know he's been waiting for years for that. Just fucking embalm me, man. Squirt me full of that embalming fluid, man. Fuck yeah. Monkey will be happy about that too. Everybody wants me dead. Everybody wants me fucking embalmed, man. They want me embalmed. Yeah. The fuck? Ah. Jesus Christ. Stooges sound cool, man. We gotta take a look at that.
That was Blackie.
Ooh, Blackie, man. I like Blackie.
Well, whoever it was, he's our next sheriff.
Fucking everybody wants me embalmed, man, like I said. They want me fucking filled full of that green goop. The fucking green goop, man. It's terrible. Terrible, man. I don't know why in the fuck they want me full of that fucking green goop for, man. Sounds like fucking disgusting if you ask me, man. Disgusting. The fuck? Alright. Fuck yeah. Gotta play my fucking horn, man. Jesus Christ. The rest of my fucking comic books out here, too. Oh my God. Well, I got 6 minutes to kill here, folks. The fuck? I can't even fucking see my 10 fucking viewers, man. It's fucking terrible. Terrible, man. God. I can't even find my fucking brother Butcher, man. I can't fucking even find Freddy or Mr. Myers, man. They're all fucking skipped out on me, man. They're all afraid they're gonna die. Oh, yeah. Woo, another one, man. Check this out. Jesus Christ. I can't even drink anymore, man. My doctors forbid me to drink anymore. It's terrible, man. I can't even have my brewskis anymore, man. I can't. Apparently it'll kill me. Apparently my liver's already fucked up so bad that I'm never gonna be able to drink. Oh my God. Jesus Christ, folks. Fucking people want me dead, man. They just want me fucking dead. It's fucking terrible, man. I don't even know what the fuck to do. Fuck. Holy shit. Oh. Should I do a fucking rowing video for everybody in a week or so? Or should you rather see sexy Bradley do one? Sexy Bradley. He wants to show off his knuckerbuckle. He thinks he has a cool knuckerbuckle, man. Yeah. He's a flabby old man. He's a flabby old man, man. He couldn't show anything off, man. His knuckerbuckle fell off. Fuck yeah, man. I'm just fucking waiting for it to come crawling back to him so I can have a good laugh about it, man. Son of a bitch. Fucking knuckerbuckle, man. Oh, fuck, man. Jesus Christ, folks. Oh, nothing goes right for fucking Penny, man. Nothing goes right for Penny. He's fucking sick. I can't even find the rest of the crew here, man. The rest of the crew. They're all fucking gone, man. They're all gone. They all skipped town, man. Butcher went back to fucking Ohio. Mr. Freddy went back to hell. Mr. Myers went back to Haddonfield. Jesus Christ, man. I'm losing all my fucking comrades here, man. What the fuck am I gonna do? I can't do this all by myself, man. I got that little twit Bradley only. And Spidey, man. It looks like all three of us are just gonna have to hold down the fort, man. Hold down the fucking fort. Oh my god. Ah. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? I'm almost done with this fucking video, man. God, where in the hell did that fucking time go? Oh my god. Let's try one more. Alright. Well, I gotta get going pretty soon, folks, because I can feel death knocking on the door tonight, man. I can feel death knocking on the door while I'm sleeping, man. They're gonna fucking come and take my soul back to the other side tonight, man. I don't know, man. Jesus Christ, folks. I need a protector, man. I need a protector bad, man. God damn it, son of a bitch. Alright. Fucking Pedialyte, man. That's fucking little babies. Jesus Christ, apparently I'm a little fucking baby now, man. Holy shit. I don't know, folks. I just don't know, man. Oh, I gotta get going, man. I gotta get going.
You got everything all set? Yeah, I gotta hurry. I got a Marion job to do.
Alright.
Howdy, boys. Stick around, quick.
I shouldn't even be making this fucking video, man. I'm not well enough to make any more videos, man. Penny's fucking... He's gonna be dead in a week. I can just feel it, man. I can just fucking feel it.
Let's get it going here.
Oh. Well, we'll see y'all next week, man. Hopefully I'll be better. So until then, see you later, man. Bye. Bye now. Say some prayers for Penny, man. Say some prayers for Penny. Penny needs some prayers from all of his 10 viewers. It's really important, man. Okay? Or not. I don't know. I'll see you on the other side, I guess. Talk to you later, man. Bye. Bye now. Bye.